Hi, it's Jeannie from Create and Babble, and today I want to show you how to personalize Easter baskets with iron-on vinyl, just like these. Let's get started. I started out with these fabric-covered buckets that I found at Target in the dollar spot area. I then went into Cricut Design Space and typed out each child's name and resized them to fit the size of each bucket. Then I cut out the names out of iron-on vinyl. For the boys, I chose to use this pretty blue metallic. Once they were cut out, I weeded off the excess vinyl and got ready to apply them to the buckets. I used a hot iron, put on the highest setting with no steam, and I couldn't use a lot of pressure since these are round baskets. It's pretty much plastic underneath that fabric, so you can't press hard. So what you have to do instead is just keep ironing back and forth until the vinyl is very well adhered. And then once it's cool, remove the carrier sheet and your buckets are done.